wrapped around your soul with no control. You can't breathe when you're drowning underwater.
Hi guys, it's Aragorn TV here and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I would like to share that something will inspire you on how to achieve your dreams. Because I still believe dun sa mga hindi pa na-reach yung goals nila, yung mga pinapangarap nila sa buhay, still believe na makakamit nyo pa rin yan. I would like to share something that will inspire you. I would like to share that something that will keep you believing in yourself. Hi, my name is Aragorn. At current, I am working abroad as document control in one of the biggest top EPC Korean companies in the world, at oil and gas industries and power plants. And currently, I am investing in the Philippine Stock Market as stock investor. I have now more than 13 years work experience abroad in the field of oil and gas and power plant industries. From age 22, nag-abroad na ako. Let me tell you a story. Bago ko narating ang posisyon na ito, may gusto akong ibahaging kwento sa inyo na sana ay makapagbigay ng inspirasyon sa inyo at ipagpatuloy ang inyong mga pangarap sa buhay at makamit ang mga ito. When I was a kid at age 12, my dream is to become a policeman or seaman. But that's impossible because I knew it from the beginning that it's not possible. Why? Because when I was at age 10, my mother died. Everything was started here, the journey of my life. Every day, I keep chasing of my dreams. There was no time that I am wondering, looking up to the sky, that someday my dreams will become true. Who am I? I am just a kid, a street child, a garbage man, a poor kid. I don't have proper clothes to wear. Most of the time, I use single clothes for 3 days, or sometimes 5 days before changing it. Yes, I was. I pity myself and asking myself why this was happened to me. My mother died early when I was 10, and no one cares about me. Except the people I work with during my young age at 10. I lived with businessmen. I was adopted for a short period of time, and from them, I learned to sell a newspaper in front of the church, and I was earning 2 pesos for each newspaper I sold. At age 11, I was adopted by another businessman, a bakery owner. From here, I learned to help them with the daily bakery routines. And from here, I was provided a home and food. The bakery owner offered me also to attend class to finish my studies. At age 12, I learned to sell a bread on the street using a bicycle. At age 12 to 18, I was a bread seller, a garbage collector, a part-time waiter, and a pedicab driver. This was a job that I never dreamed of, but it was my destiny to do it and bring me into life. I have to do these things to survive. I have many failures in my life. I failed twice in first year high school and dropped out. I struggled in troubles that put my life in danger, but I'm still alive, and thanks God that I survived. Until 12 years later, everything was changed. Good afternoon. I am Mr. Benz, and today is May 3, 2010.
If we
And,
try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we
Here I am. At age 22, I started working in the Middle East, first at Saudi Arabia, as document controller at HR department until I worked with different 7 top EPC companies in 13 years. At age 22 to 35, I work with 4 top EPC Korean companies, and these are Hyundai Heavy Industries, Hyundai Engineering and Construction, GS Engineering, and Daewoo Engineering. I work also with the first ever nuclear energy company in the Middle East as their document controller. And these are the things that I never dreamed before.
Darling, I've been tempted by the darkness, telling me that I should throw it all away. Fight so hard, my heart is hardly helpless. Find myself so desperate on my knees to break. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to lay it down. And I feel the spirit guiding, telling me not to give up. Hold on to every promise I've been praying for at night. I hold on to every garment, won't surrender, not tonight.
My life story was a story of 3 things. Number 1, the life of faith. A faith that defines as the development of events beyond a person's control. Number 2, the life of chance. that defines as a possibility of something happening, the occurrence of the development of event. And number 3, the life of choice, that defined as an act of selecting or making a decision when faced with 2 or more possibilities. After 25 years of my life journey, I am finally ready to share it to the world, to inspire you, to inspire people who are still keep chasing their dreams.
I don't know where I am, I don't know where you take me, I don't know where you take me. I just follow your trail and I'm losing your mind and I'm losing your head. Let me escape from this love, cause I'm a prisoner. I just want to look my way and never back to you.
I hope you like this video and keep chasing your dreams to become true. And hope to see you guys next time. My advice, do not stop believing in yourself. Keep dreaming. To end this video, gusto kong i-remind sa inyo na kung nag-uumpisa pa lang kayong mangarap ngayon, gawin ninyo ang mga bagay na naiisip ninyo. Sa kasalukuyan, ako ay isang stock market trader sa Philippine Stock Market. Gusto ko kayong imbitahan na ipakita sa inyo kung paano kumita ng pera sa stock market. Ituturo ko sa inyo ito ng libre, walang bayad. Kaya't samahan ninyo ako sa journey on how to make millions in stock market by doing the art of bottom picking. Follow me on my YouTube channel para mapanood ang mga stock market tips. Thank you very much for watching this video and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!